Hi, this is your expert from Trusted Plumbing and Heating. If you are thinking about how to install a bathtub faucet, let's walk through the basics so you know what to expect. First, you need to turn off the water supply before beginning any faucet installation. This keeps your bathroom safe and dry while you work. Next, take a look at your old tub faucet. Some are threaded onto the pipe, while others have a set screw underneath. Unscrew or loosen it and gently slide the old spout off. Make sure the pipe coming out of your wall is clean and not rusty. Any damage here can cause leaks. If you see corrosion or a wobbly pipe, Trusted Plumbing and Heating can help fix it before you move forward. Choose a new spout and handles that match your piping and setup. Wrap pipe threads with plumber's tape if you have a threaded spout. Carefully screw or slide it on until it's flush with the wall, then tighten the set screw if needed. If you are changing the faucet handles or bathtub cartridge, use the correct screwdriver and make sure all pieces line up. If you're ever unsure, our experts are just a call away. Finally, turn your water back on slowly and check for drips or leaks around the new spout and handles. Tighten if needed and make sure the water flows only into your tub. For more tips or expert faucet installation, call Trusted Plumbing and Heating today. We have served homes in our area for over 45 years. Check out the link in the description for our detailed blog.